Hey guys, here's how I draw realistic lips. So first things first, I'm just going to draw a basic outline of my reference photo, which is in my top right hand corner. I'm just going to draw a few of the wrinkles I see in their lips so I can get a good idea of their shape. Then I'm just going to roughly outline the highlights. I decided to move around the lighting just to make it a bit more interesting. And now I'm tracing what I have just so the line art will be a bit cleaner. And then I'm going to start coloring it all in with something that's pretty close to the skin tone I have. And I'm going to draw on the cupid's bow so I can reference it later. I'm really roughly coloring in the different levels of saturation on the lips. I'm using a smudge tool for this, but anything that blends works. And now I'm coloring in the mouth, and then I'm just going to start shading in the teeth. Using guides from those little lines I drew earlier, I'm going to start drawing in the wrinkles in the lip. I'm just making some adjustments to the lip shape and coloring. And now I'm blending everything in. And then I'm going to get started on the highlights. So for the teeth, I'm just going to draw a few lines going straight down. For the lips, I'm going to draw basically the same shape that I did earlier in the rough outline, but I'm just going to make it follow the contours of the lips a bit better. And then I'm just going to add some really soft highlights, again following the shape of the lips. And now I'm just adding one final layer of color. I'm adding in some really tiny highlights along the creases. Finalizing the shading on the teeth. And then move on to the skin. I'm following the lines of that cupid's bow I drew, and I'm turning it into an overlay layer. Finally, I'm just going to add a few freckles.